back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fab Bag for February month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 599 rupees, and they have longer subscription as well, like 3 months, 6 month and a yearly subscription. If you go for the longer subscription, of course you will save some money. Plus, I have a coupon code by which you can get 10% discount. The coupon code is Ritu10. Don't worry, I will be mentioning everything in the description box. The coupon code plus the buying link of Fab Bag in the description box. Now let's quickly see what all is there. So the first thing is really beautiful. This is the pouch for February month, and you can just see it's super cute. I love it. It's very, very, very cute, very me kind of a pouch. And of course, you know, the quality of Fab Bag pouches are really great. So yes, I'm definitely going to use this one. White color pouch with black and very cute baby pink color. So yes, super happy with this one. Now, moving on to the next thing, these are 3 cards I have. So let's start with the first one. First one is the renewal offer, 10% off. Coupon code is there. Then the second one is the contest card. You just have to click a picture of your February Fab Bag and you can stand a chance to win this guy's lipstick. And then I have the info card here. The theme for this month is wrapped in love. Of course, you know, February, it's the Valentine month, so that's why wrapped in love. First product is, of course, the makeup choice. And for the makeup choices, this time they had 3 different products. The first one was Banana Compact. The second one was Translucent Compact. And the third one was this, which I have chosen. And in this also, they had 3 different options. So this one is the Sugar Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer, and in this also they had 3 different shades. I have chosen 02, which is pink shipping. This is how it looks. 699 is the price, and of course it's a full size product. This is how it looks from inside. I'm really looking forward for this one. I really want to use this one. So super happy, of course, the star product in the box. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Cascade Dream Star Nail Paint. This is the one. The price for this one is 560. It's a full size product. The shade name is Petal Crusher. And let me open it and show you. This is how it looks. So pretty color. This is the shade. Now let's move on to the third one, and the third one is by Shea, and this is the heart shaped soap, and it says it's 100% pure and handmade and pure strawberry. It says the price for this one is 399 rupees, manufacture of December 19, best before 36 months from the manufacturing date. And let me show you the shape, which is the interesting part. It is like a heart, which is very cute and perfect for Valentine month. So yes, very cute product. I like it. I love handmade soaps, and this is like pure strawberry handmade soap. So yes, I'm definitely going to use this. 399 is the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by All Natural Company, and this is pure aloe vera gel. It's again a full size product. The price for this one is 399 rupees, and this is how the jar looks like. Of course, aloe vera is a very good product, of course, and a very useful product, I would say. So yes, very happy to receive it. And this is ingredient. It has only pure aloe vera gel, which is amazing. So yes, super happy with this one. And yes, I've heard really good stuff from this company, All Natural Company. So yes, looking forward for this one. Now, moving on to the last one. The last one is by Blossom Culture. This is Aroma Magic White Tea and Chamomile Face Wash. 43 rupees is the price for this one. The quantity is 20 ml, and of course the brand, yes, it's a really good brand. They have some amazing product, very affordable, very good ingredients. So yes, I love this brand. And face wash, yes, it's useful. So yes, happy with this one as well. So that's all what I've received in my Fab Bag for February. And if you ask me, of course, the star product is just amazing. And then the aloe vera gel is nice. Then the soap is very cute. The nail paint is useful. So I guess, yeah, everything is quite nice. So yes, I'm pretty much impressed with this. And yes, I will be mentioning everything in the description box. So if you want one, just go to the link and buy your Fab Bag for February month. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.